Guess what? Publishing a book doesn't have to be complicated. Now there are two ways to publish your book with us. You can either publish it yourself or you can take the help of our publishing experts. If you want to know more about our different publishing options, click the link in the description to watch the video where we explain it in a lot more detail. In this video, we're going to be talking about what your entire publishing journey may look like once you publish with us. The first step is picking your publishing package. And don't worry if you're unsure. You can click on the link below to sign up and our publishing consultants will reach out to you and explain all the different publishing plans so you can pick a plan that best suits your book. Once you sign your contract, our submissions team will guide you through submitting your manuscript, your blurb, your bio and other book details. Then we will assign you to a publishing manager who will become your go-to person for everything about your book. They will work with you to create a detailed publishing plan that includes your book's positioning, size, paper type, binding, and mood board for your book cover. Once you approve the plan, we will start making your book publish ready. Our cover designers will start working on designing the cover of your book and our typesetters will work on the interior of your book. If you've picked any of the writing or editorial services, the typesetting work will start after your manuscript is finalized with all the changes. Simultaneously, we also start planning the marketing strategies for your book. Next, we'll come to pricing. Your publishing manager will suggest an MRP based on your book's genre, page count and finish, and you can decide your book's price based on the profit margin that you'd like. Then comes the final quality check to ensure that your book is absolutely perfect before it goes live. And finally, your book is ready to publish. It's listed on the Notion Press store, on Amazon, Flipkart and other platforms. But what if you want to do it yourself? The Notion Press platform is the way to go. With the Notion Press platform, you're in control of the entire process. Simply log in, upload your manuscript, customize your book's design, set your book's price, add details like blurb and category, and finally you can sign the contract. And as explained in previous videos, if you require some assistance with the platform, you can go for guided publishing, where a dedicated publishing manager handles everything for you. And just like that, your book is ready to be printed and sold worldwide. If you want to know exactly how the Notion Press platform works, you can click on the link in the description where we've explained the entire process step by step. And if you have any questions about the publishing process, let us know in the comments. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!